Alright, so we made it to New Mexico. That is where we are right now. I am currently sitting at my spot at the KOA campground in Las Cruces. It is honestly even way prettier here in the morning than I thought it was last night. I thought it was pretty last night. I was not expecting that much because it's just like in the middle of Las Cruces, but I mean, all KOAs are nice. I support. Yeah, so I'm still not so great at pulling my camera out to film all the time. And now I thought that today would be a really good day to take you guys along on doing all the stuffs that keep this life running, because this is one of those get things done van days. I've got laundry to do, I've got dishes to do. Obviously the van needs to be cleaned again because that chaos that you saw in the beginning of the video, that happens every day. You have to clean that pretty much every day, either before you go to sleep, but I usually just throw everything on the ground and on the counters and like crawl into my like nice cozy bed. I'm like, I'll deal with that in the morning. Also, solid highlight, had to use my first aid kit for the very first time. Yeah, tried to cut my thumb off this morning. It was really fun. Thanks for the first aid kit, Grandma. Without you, I might not have a thumb. Nice. I'm just like, oh my gosh, it would have been really nice to get here yesterday at like a decent time and enjoy all these things, but it was $35 a night just for, like, I came in at like 9 or 10 o'clock last night, and then I have to be out by 11 this morning, so that's fun. And the washing machines are $2. But I'm fine, it's fine. Alright, so we have made it out of Las Cruces, and I drove about, well, it was supposed to be like an hour drive, but it turned into like an hour and a half drive because Google Maps sucks, but we're here, and I just want to show you where we ended up because it's quaint, but it's really cute. It's pretty. It's so nice! Okay, I'm gonna go down and try to find some more to put all this stuff up. Alright, so I am set up at this super cozy spot over at Caballo State Park, and I think this is where I'm going to spend my afternoon. The doggies really just want to like be inside and snuggle and not run around, and I'm like, okay, that's fine, I guess we'll snuggle. So I got a good little napping spot set up with a view of the lake, and the breeze is coming in really nice, so we're having a little bit of an escape from the heat. So I'm gonna try to get some art stuff done and Alright, I just got back from getting breakfast at the farmer's market in Las Cruces. My friend here told me that it's one of the most famous farmers markets in the nation, and it was really cool. There was a lot of crafts, and there was so many kids playing music, and it was so great. I gave them all of my dollars. But yeah, I just want to do my little farmers market haul right now because I'm about to have a really good breakfast, and it was not that expensive. The farmers markets in Tucson are like well priced, but I mean, this place made it seem like a deal. I took out $40 and I did not spend all of it. I think I have like 15 left. I got some really cool stuff. So yeah, I got this apple cinnamon pecan bread from Living Harvest Bakery. I love this. On the end of their ingredients list it says love, joy, and peace. And then from the same place, I got strawberry rhubarb jamly. That's gonna make a good breakfast, or 5. I also got some local wildflower honey. This was only $4. I buy those giant mason jars, like the really big, I don't know how much it is, like a quart or a pint. And it's 22, and at this place it was 12. I'm like, dang, you guys must have a lot of bees. And I also met this very nice lady that sold me some virgin shea butter. It's just shea butter, and oh, and lemongrass. Okay, now let's just hope this tastes like strawberry rhubarb pie. I did not record an outro to that video. And I'm laying in bed the next morning editing. And, yeah, I just wanted to say thanks for watching. I don't think I did anything else yesterday. Oh, I did a tattoo here. Look at it. Do you like it? Yeah, but thanks for watching my videos. They're all over the place. I'm just doing random stuff, but it's fun. So, I hope you have a good day. I'm gonna have a good day today. We're trying to decide what to do, and I'll try to make another video of it. We'll see you next time.